Joining me now is one of our money masters, Dan Shaffer, President and CEO of Shaffer Asset Management. Dan, of course, you've been somewhat bearish on the markets. This has been a huge year. Are you going to remain bearish, or are you seeing enough signs to say, hey, you know what, maybe this rally has some credibility?
No, I remain bearish. I don't see any credibility in this rally. I mean, just look at the numbers, Charles. Unemployment's at a very low rate, so everybody's all excited about that. Everybody's excited about the economy starting to grow with the housing sales. But really, if you look at where I live in Fairfield County, there's houses for sale all over the place. So it's spotty around the country. Then you look at the GDP number. Now, the GDP is made up of consumer spending, and a big portion, and government spending. If government slows down spending because of less tax revenues and start balancing the budget, that's less money in the economy. If you connect all the dots between all this, it doesn't make sense as to where the market is pricing itself.
Yeah.
And it maybe has
so
predicted
you're ignoring
already what
all
we
the
have.
manufacturing data, all of the earnings data that we're getting from corporate America. You're discounting all of that stuff?
But the margins are not there. You know, you got to look at the margins. Companies buying back their stocks and showing better performance.
This year,
is
buybacks were down versus the last few years. This was a rally that began at the top of the income statement, not the earnings per share, but revenue growth up year over year, something that had gone sideways for a while. To your point, even that's improved markedly.
Okay, you and I have been in the markets for over 40 years. This year, the market hasn't corrected 3%. Does that startle
That's a different
you?
argument.
Well, why?
That's a different argument.
What's going on?
That's not talking about fundamentals. You're just saying it's due. Which is okay, perhaps it is.
It's due. It's just that something strange is going on. If you look at the chart patterns, you look at the way the currencies are trading, you just look at interrelationships between markets. Wait, one more thing. The spread between the 10-year and the 2-year Treasury is collapsing, and the 30-year and 10-year is collapsing. That usually precedes a major recession.
Let me talk about currency, if I may, since you brought it up, in Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Okay. Took a big plunge last week, but it seems to be stabilizing right now.
Right.
What would you say? What's your thoughts on Bitcoin?
I think it's the biggest joke out there. There's really nothing behind it. You're trading basically bowling balls. It has no value except what people perceive.
Right.
Now,
what's wrong with that?
Well, the problems that I have with it, and why I'm not even going to touch it, I don't care if it goes to 100,000, it doesn't mean anything to me, is because I don't know who started it. What is behind Bitcoin? Who's actually there? Is it ISIS? Is it a world order that's trying to be put together to have a one world currency? We don't know those answers. How can I trade something that I don't even know who the players are?
Well,
That's
the history is easy to trace, and the guy who created it and all that stuff. And if it's true that there are only going to be 21 million out there,
right.
Bitcoins out there, and that also adds some validity to the story. Certainly, though, the idea of nothing being behind it. What's behind fiat currency? You know, 2 weeks ago, a painting sold for $450 million, right? The canvas and the oil was worth $1.50. So, you know, the idea that something is not worth something, what's behind the U.S. dollar other than the full faith and credit in the government that's going to print more of them in the next financial crisis?
Because every government has to have their own currency that people can exchange value. And people have to believe in that currency. Now, the United States is a country that is taxing people, creating revenue, and has the ability to print their own currency or not. So there's something actually behind the U.S. dollar. It's the U.S. government.
It's called $20 trillion in debt.
Well, yeah, no, that's another issue. But
we're over the time. I'm sorry, buddy. You know, you and I could have this discussion for a long time.
Yes.
But I think to dismiss Bitcoin out of hand is a mistake. That's all I'm saying.
I'll let you know in a year.
All right, thank you.